Hi and good day to you. This short and quick video is all about ISACA membership benefits. This video has been made in response to the queries we have been receiving. My name is Maliha Masood. I am ISACA She Lead Tech Ambassador and Social Media Advocate. I am founder of Kudos Consultant and Trainer, which is an initiative to provide premium quality training in the capacity of IT audit, cybersecurity, information security, IT risk management, IT governance, IT service management, and emerging technologies. Here, I like to mention that this video is an independent effort as humbled ISACA member and Chile Tech Ambassador to help out professionals and individuals learning and understanding about ISACA membership benefits. So let's get going. So just a quick intro about ISACA International. So ISACA is basically a global community founded in 1969. It is a non-profit organization. More specifically, I would say ISACA is a global association that serves as an advocate for professionals involved in information security, IT risk, IT assurance, IT risk management, IT governance, and so on and so forth. ISACA offers numbers of renowned certification, and on the top of list, CISA is there, CISAs, CISA certifications, and along with that, there are a number of others renowned certification like CISM, CGE, CGEIT, C-RISK, and the list continues. In the same manner, there are a number of ISACA certificate programs, which includes COVID certificates, which is very, very demanding nowadays. And along with that, other renowned certificates include IT risk fundamental certificates, certificate in cloud auditing knowledge, CSX Nexus cybersecurity certificate, cybersecurity audit certificates, computing fundamental certificates, and the list goes on. So these are the few certifications and certificate program offered by ISACA International. So let's talk about ISACA membership benefits. And if you look at on the broader spectrum, so by becoming ISACA member, you will have access, saving, and knowledge benefits on a broader spectrum. When I say access, so that means you have the access to the robust professional network. That means you got the opportunity to get connected with the global professional networks. And not only that, you got the opportunity to meet professionals nearby you through ISACA chapter events and training programs, and bi-monthly or different gathering programs. You have the opportunity to access the number of resources offered by ISACA absolutely free of cost to their members. And in the same fashion, you have in terms of saving, you have access to the best offer on ISACA product on your favorite brands. It's by becoming ISACA member, it gives you a lot of opportunity to receive special offers, perks, and program that is in your for sure success. And in terms of, if we talk about in terms of knowledge, it gives you an opportunity to access the number of authoritative knowledge publications and practical guidance, and again, which is absolutely free of cost for ISACA members. So you get the opportunity to enhance your knowledge, your insight through number of free resources different training programs, white papers, and emerging knowledge-based sessions, technology, and so on. So if we look at the saving side by becoming ISACA member, this specific slide is not only very attractive, but gives you a very definite idea the number of savings you can have by becoming ISACA member, by having ISACA member. So you will get around 24% discount on exam registration for like CISA, CISM, CRIC, CSX, and so on. So here you get the direct benefit of 24% discount, and you will get up to 30% discount on exam preparation material. For ISACA webinar, you have to pay nothing, just $0 for attending those ISACA knowledge-based webinars, absolutely free of cost for ISACA members. You will have US $45 saving on different audit and assurance programs. You will be having up to 25% discount on hotels and travel while attending ISACA events. And similarly, you will be having like 20%, up to 20% discount on training week options. You will have discounts on online courses. You will have discount on ISACA publications and research. You have discounts on conferences and workshop discounts. You have up to 72 hours of free CPEs by becoming ISACA. When you have to report CPEs, and you are looking for how you can attain those CPEs. So by becoming ISACA member, you have the opportunity to get those CPEs. So you will have around 72 hours of free CPEs. You have up to 40% discount on shopping on when you are on conferences and by attending ISACA events. So this with specific slides will give you a very definite idea about savings you would be having when you become ISACA member. So I would definitely advise you to go for ISACA membership, because you have the number of benefits you cannot count on your fingers when you become ISACA members. There are a number of free of resources, free number of authoritative publications, knowledge base. So it will not only enhances your knowledge, but also aid you to connect with the right people. So now the question comes in, I said, what are the dues, how much it costs to me, what professional membership dues. So the bifurcations of the dues is like the complete membership fees include international due, which is $135 US. Then if you are a new member, you will have to pay new membership fees plus your local chapter dues. So if you are a new member and you wanted to become ISACA member, so you would look at the website and you will come to know about your local chapter dues, which varies as per your location. And the new member fees is US $30 if you do it through mail or fax. And if you join online, it is like US $10. But if you are being referred by someone, like while purchasing ISACA membership, if you use my referral number, which is 520170, your new membership fees would be waived off. So now you can have the opportunity to my referral code, which is 520170, while purchasing your ISACA membership. Now the question arises, how to join. So for joining, you need to log into www.isaca.org, www.isaca.org, and so when you logged into ISACA website, which is again www.isaca.org, you will see number of tabs there, and you have to just keep your cursor over membership. Then you will see number of details here, and you will go for the professional membership. So from here you will start processing your membership application by following given instructions, and which is like you have to insert your name, your locations, your work backgrounds, and so on, your education, etc. So after filling out all those informations, you reach to the screen where it will be asking for your referral code if you have. So here you can insert my code, which is 520170, and then after verification you may proceed with the checkout. And when you go for the checkout, you will see that your new membership fees is waived off. So here is the discount opportunity or waiver opportunity for you by using my referral code. So this is very quick and short about ISACA memberships. I try to keep this video as quick as possible so that in a very short period of time you will get the maximum knowledge. But if you have any query, or if you want to suggest something, you want to advise something, you are free to email me at info@kudus.pk. So I would love to hear from you how helpful this video was for you and your suggestions. Thank you so very much and have a very good day. Thank you.